In this video, you'll learn how to format text in Notion. This guide will take you through the essential steps to customize your text effectively using various formatting options available within Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in "notion.so." Once the page loads, you may need to sign into your account if you're not already logged in. If prompted, enter your email and password to access your workspace. After logging in, locate the option to create a new page. You can find this option on the left sidebar, usually represented by a plus icon or labeled as "Add a new page." Click on this to open a new blank page where you can start formatting your text. Next, click on the blank space in the new page. This action will allow you to activate the text input area. You will know you are in the correct spot when the cursor appears, indicating that you can start typing. Type in the text you want to format. It could be anything from a title to a paragraph. Once you've entered your text, you can proceed to the next step of formatting it according to your needs. Now, click on the blank space again to ensure the text is selected. This step is crucial as it prepares the text for formatting options that will become available to you. After confirming that your text is active, click on the text to highlight it. This action will enable the formatting toolbar to appear, providing you with various options to modify your text. Double-click the text you want to format. This will open the text editor where you can access more detailed formatting features. You will notice that the formatting options are now available for use. To make your text bold, click on the B icon in the formatting toolbar. This action will instantly change the selected text to bold, making it stand out. You can visually confirm the change by observing the thickness of the text. Next, to italicize your text, click on the I icon in the same toolbar. This will italicize the selected text, providing a different emphasis. The change should be immediately visible, altering the style of the text you selected. Then click on the underline icon represented by an U. This will add an underline to your selected text, enhancing its visibility and importance. The effect should be apparent right away, showing the text with an underline. Afterward, if you wish to change the text color, click on the text color option in the formatting menu. A color palette will appear, allowing you to choose your desired color. Selecting a new color will instantly change the text color. You can also adjust the background color of your text. Click on the background color option in the toolbar. Again, a palette will be displayed from which you can select a background color. The change will be visible as soon as you make your selection. Finally, to finalize your formatting, click on a blank space outside of the text. This action will save your changes and allow you to see how the formatted text looks in the context of your page. Make sure to review your work to ensure it appears. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.